With Brian Schofield once again. We were enjoying those 90s, thinking maybe we were sliding into fall, but not quite.
Completely ripped off. The only sign of fall was that pumpkin spice latte. That was it. And that disappeared. We're not talking about that anymore. So take a look. There you go. Blue sky, some clouds. We're not quite done with the cloud cover, but that's okay. We're taking a little bit of moisture. We'll scour most of it out, but now we're warming things up. That's what's going to happen, and especially for the weekend as well, start to warm things up a little bit more. See, it's so warm, just threw off the tie as well. Another day, no tie. I love it. All right, take a look. Humidity tracker. Nice to see 11%, 10%. That means single digits are not too far away. And when you see the monsoon tracker, yes, we're still talking about the summer monsoon. We're not quite done with it yet. You'll notice that we do dry things out significantly. So by the end of the weekend, you will be guaranteed those single digit humidity levels, even as hot as it will be. So that's the bonus. But 13 first light desert Doppler, if you've washed your car recently, that usually means it's going to rain, right? Well, that's not going to happen this time around. We're going to hold off on any of that for now. Most of the moisture out toward the east and plenty of moisture in our nation's midsection. We don't often show you the national map, but look at all of that, all the way down south through West Texas, all the way up, it looks like through Chicago as well, and Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia finally drying out a little bit. Not perfectly dry, but remember they had that tropical storm come through the area there, and that was some wet stuff, and then all of that has just kind of been pulled up into the rest of the flow there. So Indiana looks like Ohio, we're just seeing some heavy rain there, but here it's going to be drier and continue to get drier until we start to drop temperatures down to those 90s again. So Saturday, this is slightly drier air, but we want to see it come in so you can see the terrain there. That's when the real dry stuff comes in. That's Sunday, and it looks like with this model, it sticks around through early next week. So that's an extended period of that drying. Still means temperatures are going to be hot for a few days, although a near record setting. I say near, but we really are not counting on setting any sort of records anywhere really across the valley. But 107 or so to end off the day, yeah, but 105 by Sunday. And then next week, I promised you some more 90s. They're going to come here for a spell. We'll pick up some wind as well. High pressure building in is what's causing the heat for the weekend, but it weakens some and allows some slightly cool air to come in, but enough to just kind of turn the heat down a little bit more and bring those 70s back for overnight lows, but also some gusty winds, 20 to 30 miles per hour. All right, back to you, Carla.